Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind quickly smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those charts. Apologies for the little bit later update. I just was in the gym and enjoying one of the last days of half price breakfasts after that. But yeah, back in the trading chair at the desk now. So yeah, as you can see, 4 hour, we are still making progress to the upside, which is good. Obviously this 11,500 is going to be the big test, to be honest. You could actually draw a horizontal looking at it now around basically the level we're at now. If you kind of look where I'm looking here, around 11,400. Based on, well, this wick here, this price action here, this price action here. So this could be a level that does potentially reject Bitcoin, but I would still lean towards the bullish side. And if we can get above this level, get back above 9,500, yeah, I believe we've got a good shot of then taking out this high here to produce a higher high and basically negate this current downtrend that we're in, this clear downtrend. High, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. So we've got some levels. We're at the first level now. So and we had a nice reaction, a nice pop above it just then. So 11,400, then obviously 11,500 area, and then clearly just this level here, which is mid. Well, it's not much above 11,800. So that is our aims to the upside. Obviously to the downside, this is going to be a trigger point. I don't think we are going to necessarily have a high probability of holding 11k if we do work our way down again, especially from a level like where we are now, because that does look particularly weak. But yeah, we will have to see how that plays out. But yeah, it's it is in the balance for Bitcoin. I would potentially take a lead from stock markets and be on the err on the bullish side based on that. SPX looking like it's consolidating at highs, ready to pop, and Nasdaq, if I can find the right list. Nasdaq, look, still pushing upwards, still pushing up nicely. This is on the 4 hour. Go to a daily. Still pushing up nicely on the daily, and then also we can see here the dollar index is looking like we are going to come down, and like this is a local high. So yeah, that's kind of what I'll be looking at here. So yeah, just quick wrap up this morning, just so I can get the video out before whilst it's still morning. Yeah, so I mean expecting us to give a go at these levels based on the dollar index looking weak and based on the stock markets, but clearly we've got clear defined low levels to obviously defend. So thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll speak to you guys later on today with the other updates, and